Class 1 was for one plant in the Ariocarpus group. These are an extremely popular genus of cactus and are also very slow growing. They come from northern Mexico and southern Texas and are often commonly known as living rock cacti. Some of the features of this genus are that they have massive taproots, a bit like icebergs where most of the plant is actually under the ground. They also flower quite late in the growing season, usually October through to November, with flowers that can be pink, white or yellow. The growing point of the plant is protected by dense white woolly hair. This grows to protect the new growth and emerging flower buds from the intense desert sunlight.
Class 2 was also for Ariocarpus group plants, this time for two of them with a pot of up to 140mm. In terms of care, these plants like as much light as possible, so benefit from being in the hottest, sunniest position in the greenhouse that you can give them. They should be watered once the substrate that they're growing in is dry and kept completely dry during the winter dormancy. Because of the late flowering of these plants, it's important to make sure that the flowers dry out completely over the winter. So I usually bring them indoors on the windowsill where it's drier and brighter and warmer than it is if it's left in the greenhouse. Otherwise, fungal growth tends to get into the flower bud and can transfer back into the plant body.
Class 3 was for one Astrophytum. Again, this is another popular genus of plants. Their most distinctive feature is the white flecks, which are actually tiny white tufts of hair that help to mimic the surrounding limestones to deter predators and also reflect some of the strong sunlight. The name Astrophytum comes from the Greek words for star plant, referring to the visual appearance when you look at them from above. They usually produce large yellow flowers, sometimes with a red centre.
Class 4 was also for Astrophytum, this time two plants with a pot size of up to 140mm. Astrophytum can be quite slow growing, and are another group that like as much sun as you can give them. Some of the species are heavily spined, such as ornatum and capricorn, but others, such as Asterias and Mariostigma, can be completely spineless.